Aloha everybody, welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 191 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. So I'm rushing off to paddling again this morning. And I heard this show on NPR the other day, and it was about exercise and academic performance. And in recent years, schools have cut back on sports and PE because they want to put more money into academic subjects, reading, writing, arithmetic, because test scores, of course, were going down. But what they have found is that actually losing the PE doesn't help the test scores. It actually has the opposite effect. So there's considerable body of research now that shows that physical activity helps to stimulate the brain neurology, which actually makes you smarter. So I'm going to go out and try and get smart here. And you know, I love discovering things in life that are counterintuitive, or that they are the opposite of what we seem, what we think. You can tell I'm not quite awake yet. Anyway, the idea being, you think if you want to get smarter, book smarts, you'd spend more and more and more time on the book smarts. But in fact, what we sometimes need to get better at something is to step away from it and do something that may in fact be the opposite of that. Because life is actually far more complex than we realize, and there are these synchronicities at play in the holistic context of how we live and how life works, that once we understand those, we have an opportunity to play hard and work smart. So along those lines, I'm opening up Beachwalks so that I can take an occasional break and you can submit shows. I've talked about this briefly, but what I'd really like to do is to have viewers submit guest Beachwalks segments. You know the drill, 4 to 6 minutes. It doesn't have to be on a beach, but if it's by water, that might be nice. If you have a dog, that's clearly a component of Beachwalks. And the most important thing of what Beachwalks is about is spreading aloha. So having something positive to say to the rest of the world. I'd love to have you submit a show. Let me know. If you're interested, you can send me the raw clip and we can put it in the Beachwalks theme. And I think that'll be a win-win for everybody too. So if you'd like to Skype, the Skype is Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, the number is 949-544-1456, and email is beachwalks@gmail.com. Aloha, everybody. Okay, there's a lot of dogs, Lex. Let's go. You ready? Ready?